guys, welcome back to the video. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Just got a new GoPro. Just want to test it out a little bit. We got some mud here. We've been raining a little bit, so we're just going to give it a try. Well, that made a short trip. Looks like we're going to have to go get the chainsaw and clean up this little path a little bit. So yep, we'll go head back to the house, get the chainsaw. Looks like we got trees down everywhere. I think the rancher can get over this. So yeah, actually me and Michael both went and bought a new GoPro Black Friday. It's the Hero 7. I think it's just the white edition. It was the cheapest one. It's my first one too, so I just wanted to give it a try. Maybe we can get them a little dirty or ride in the rain, mud, whatever, so we don't ruin our cameras. I tell you what, today is nice out. It's like, I think it's supposed to be 60-some degrees. And that's great for December. Like, you can't beat that. Yes, I don't know how well this quality is going to turn out on this GoPro. I'm going to upload it anyway on one of my videos, so we'll see. I was honestly just going out right now to test it out. I got Cody coming up in a little bit. We're going to go through that mud a little bit and play on it. I guess we'll cut that tree out there and hopefully pull it out with the rancher or something, or just scoot it over a little bit so we can get by, or just cut a log out, whatever. Yeah. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me on this. I feel like I'm like an idiot just talking to myself. But oh well, I am an idiot.
The next day.
Alright guys, this is actually the next day from the last part on this video you've seen. We had a few things to do yesterday, so I had to cut the video kind of short. But today we're going back. We're going to move that tree out of the way. I ain't got nobody up here yet to help film or hunting, so that's why I got the GoPro strapped to me. So, and yesterday I reviewed the film too, and this thing does pretty good. You can actually hear me fairly well. I'm kind of sick though, that's why it sounds kind of muffled. But oh well, it does pretty good for what it does. Brought my side-by-side back here a few times and it just bottoms out. It's just too ruddy. Well, there it is. I think I can get around that one. I cut this one up just small enough where I can get through it. I should be able to move it by hand, maybe. That'll work. We'll probably leave it lay there till a couple months and we'll cut it up for firewood. All right. Now that I'm out of breath, we'll take a ride. I haven't been back here in a long time. Not like briars. Them things bite you back. Wow. Tight squeeze. It ain't too bad coming out this way, but when you're in that rut, it's kind of hard to get out. Squirrels! Bunch of squirrels. I wonder how deep this hole is. Baby hole. Something with a little Daddy always said if you can't find a path, make your own. Big log, no problem. Looks like we're on my neighbor's property down the next holler. We'll probably get some permission from him before we actually ride over here. I know he wouldn't mind, but if you don't know who it is, he might shoot me. So I think we're going to tote it back to the house. Bigger on this side. Yep, bigger. Needs a little push. Easy, girl. Needs a little loving from this side now. If you guys are ever wondering, we're all family that lives up here. Got my in-laws on top of the hill. It's actually my wife's family, but they do not care if we ride or whatever, stuff like that. They go in my yard, I go in theirs. It's just one of those things you don't even have to ask. As long as you respect it, they don't mind. So guys, I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I'm going to upload it anyway. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comment section. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends.